Hi, this is Mary from Reviewer's Diary. It's 10:30 at night. I'm exhausted, but the puppy's in bed, and so I have a moment of peace. Although now both of my cat and my dog are running around looking for trouble. So the adult animals are kind of restless. But anyway, I did want to go through unboxing both of these boxes. Most of these products will be placed into rotation. Probably samples may go into Sample Sunday. I haven't tried everything from Sample Sunday yet, so I'm a little bit behind as usual. But I do have some things that I'm really looking forward to using. So without further ado, I'm going to unbox both of these boxes, and I will start with the Walmart Beauty Box. I was not that thrilled when I got this box, but I've been spoiled in a couple of boxes, so I have really nothing to complain about. This is not going to be enough product for me to use. So, there's just not enough in these bottles, but I guess I could try. Okay, next thing is Cetaphil. And this is a sheer mineral sunscreen. I'm curious to try this. And if I like it, then I'll be looking for a clone for it so that I can enjoy it and yet not have to buy a non-cruelty-free product. We also got the Extra Gentle Daily Scrub Cetaphil as well. It's a level 1, which is the lightest amount of scrub, so I think I'll go ahead and give that a try. Then there are 2 full-size things in here. I'm really surprised. There is an eye pencil from Revlon. Now, I might leave this in its packaging and just give it away because I have, not only is Revlon not cruelty-free, they insist that they are, but they haven't gone Leaping Bunny certified yet. And they did pull out of China, but I don't know. It's really baffles my mind. There's something not quite right about them. So anyway, this is something I might give away instead of using, so I'm going to leave it in its packaging. The next thing is these Listerine Ready Tabs. Chew to transform a solid to a liquid in seconds. So I don't know how these work. I don't know if they're like, I guess you can swallow the stuff. I don't know. Because if you're out, you can't be out, spitting in somebody else's sink. So I don't know. I have to read more about this, but this came with a generous number. I think this might actually be full size. It might, because it's got a hang tag on the top. So it could be that this is how you get it with 8. So that's pretty cool. And the other full-size item is a facial oil mist from e.l.f. Why was I disappointed in this box? I don't know. I must be out of my mind. But anyway, this does look really interesting. It's a restoring mist. I guess they have different oil mists for all different types of skin issues. This one is restoring, and of course they are cruelty-free, so I really like that. And the rest is just coupons and data information here's for the Cetaphil. And this is the booklet with all the different things that you could have gotten. And it looks like I got everything that I would have wanted. Yeah. Because the rest of the stuff is not really cruelty-free. So, a lot of stuff is not cruelty-free. So anyway, this is a really good box. It does have a few full-size items in it. 3 to be precise. And it has a sunscreen I'm very interested in giving a try. And of course it's got these these shampoo and conditioner packs, it'll never be enough. So yeah, I really do like this box. Let's see if I can make it look pretty. That is a pretty good, damn good box. So good job, Walmart. Now we're gonna move on to BeautyFix. I've been enjoying BeautyFix. What you need to remember, by the way, the box price for this went up from $5, because you're only really paying for shipping, from $5 to $6.95, I think. Still well worth it. BeautyFix is $25 a month plus your applicable sales tax. There's no shipping charge on this one. So let's open you up. I did take a quick look and was very happy with what I saw. So the first thing is a sunscreen, and I am really looking forward to trying this. It's called Clean Screen Mineral SPF 30 Mattifying Face Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum Protection. I will have to read more about this. Of course, it's cruelty-free because it's a cruelty-free brand, but yeah, that's a full-size item. This is a travel size, and this might be part of a giveaway because I have a couple of big giant bottles of that. Everything else in here is either sample or travel size. So as long as you understand that you are probably only going to get one full-size item per package, then you won't be crestfallen. But the travel sizes they give you are huge. So yeah, I really can't complain. I really enjoy trying new products that they offer. So anyway, here's Living Proof Instant Defrizzer. I don't know how it works. I'll have to read more, but I do love Living Proof products, and this is 2.8 ounces, so that's a really big travel size. Still small enough to fit under the TSA guidelines. Next thing is, well, this is pretty heavy. This is Advanced Night Repair. I believe it's an oil. Let me see, how big are you? I've got the end of the day bleary eye thing going on. I believe this says 0.23 fluid ounces. I'm not positive. You might be able to see it better than I can. I've given so many of these away. I think I want to actually give this a try. There are quite a few Estee Lauder products that I would buy if they went cruelty-free, so I'll be curious to try this. I notice a lot of companies are starting to work toward going cruelty-free, which is a really great thing. Okay, and this is Naturopathica Calendula Hydrating Cream. Now, I saw this, and it's half of a full size. It's 0.5 fluid ounces. This thing is freaking heavy. I'm very excited to try that. I don't know. I haven't done in my research whether they're cruelty-free or not. I know calendula is very good for your skin. So, yeah, I am really interested in trying this for sure. So, anyway, those are the two boxes. And I'm like amazed. Things that I think I might give away, I won't put in the trying all the things. I'm very happy with all of that, and I am very happy with all that. For $6.95, this was a really good deal, and for $25 plus tax, this is also a really good deal because some of these products are like pretty expensive, and I got very generous travel sizes. And a Living Proof product, that's my wheelhouse. So anyway, I love this stuff, but I don't buy it because it's so expensive. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary. I will try to insert prices and things down below in the film strip itself so that you'll be able to see them as you see the products. So anyway, thank you and have a beautiful evening. Good night.